We are here for all of us. All of us. We are here for all of us. All of us. That's why we are here. All we are saying is give peace a chance. All we are saying is give peace a chance. Heal the world. Make it a better place for you and for me and the entire human race. There are people dying if we care enough for the living. Make a better place for you and for me. You and for me. You and for me. One love, one heart. Let's get